Hello students, welcome to the maths class. In my previous video, I have explained you about the cube root, method of finding cube root, that was a prime factorization method. And in the case of a square root, we were having a method called division method, but in the case of a cube root, we don't have any such method. Is it clear? So, let us come to another method of finding a cube root, that is estimation. Right? Let us see how we can estimate to find out the cube root. We don't have any method except prime factorization method to find out the cube root. Right? We can estimate here. It is not a method of finding it, but we can estimate. We can have an idea of. Right? Let us take a question. That is 4193. This is a number. Without calculating the prime factorization, without using prime factorization method, let us find out the prime factors of this number. Let us find out the cube root of this number, right? We will have to, as we are talking about the cube root, so we are going to make a group of 3, right? So starting from right hand side. So we have got one group of 3, that is 1, 9 and 3, and this is 4 alone, right? So cube root of this number, I had given you a list of the cubes, right? So first cube number is 1, then second cube number is 8, then third cube number is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, and then 1000. This much at least you must be knowing. Right, so first number is 193, 3 in the unit place. Which number has got a 3 in the unit place? See, it is a 7. 7 cube has got 3 in the unit place. That means cube root of this number will have 7 in the unit place. Clear? Then come to 4. 4 is a number which lies between 1 square, 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. So 4 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. So that means we will take the smaller one. So this one should be the exact one. So we will take 1. So answer is 1. Cube root of 493 is 17. Clear? Now come to next one. Let us take one more question. 13824. So we have made one group and this is second one. Clear? We are going to take 3 from the right hand side and then 3 to the left. We don't have any other number, so we are taking only 1 3. So cube root of 13824 will be equal to 4 is in the unit place. See, 8 2 4. 4 is in the unit place. So out of this number, only this 4 cube has got 4 in the unit place. So unit digit of the cube root will be 4. Right? Now come to 13. 13 lies between 2 cube, that is 8, and 3 cube, that is 27. Which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. So we are going to take 2. So 13824 is a cube root of 24. Clear? Now let us take one more. These are from your book only, right? From the exercise. Now take one more. That is 32768. We have got a group of one group and the second group. So cube root of this number will be equal to 8 in the unit place. First group has got 8 in the unit place. Which number has got 8? 2. So unit digit will be 2. Now come to 32. 32 lies between 3 cube and 4 cube. That is, it lies between 27 and 64. Which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. So we are going to take 32. So 32 is a cube of this number. Clear? Now one more example. It is 175616. Right? So we have got how many groups? 2 groups of each. That means the cube root of this number will be having 2 digits. Let us see how. 616. Which cube has got 6 in the unit place? Here we know it is 6. So unit digit of the cube root of this number is going to be 6. Yes. So 616 has got a 6 in the unit place, and only 6 cube has got 6 in the unit place. So unit digit of this number will have a 6 in the unit place. Now see for the another group, 175. 175 lies between 5 cube and 6 cube. 6 cube is 216, 5 cube is 125. Which one is smaller one? 5 is smaller. So let us take 5. So 175616 will be the cube of 56. Clear? Number of groups, number of digits in the cube root. Here were 2 groups. So 2 digits. Here also 2 group, 2 digits. Should I? Yes. Let us take one more, that is which has got only 1. 512. Suppose we want to find out the cube root of this number. It has got only one group, 3. Right? So 2. Which number has got 2? It is the same number. So 8. Cube root of, if one group is there, single digit cube. If 2 groups are there, double digit cube root, 2 groups, double digit, 2 groups, double digit. In this way you can also get the number of digits in the cube roots. Hope you have understood, and be prepared to solve the exercise 7.2 in your registers. Have a nice day.